Alright y'all, in this video I'm going to be showing you the best affiliate programs that you can promote as a beginner in 2020 so you can make passive income. What I'm going to be doing is going over some income proof from the affiliate offers I've been promoting, the best affiliate offers and how to find them, how to drive traffic to them with free and paid traffic strategies, and I'm going to show you examples of other people promoting them as well so you can get a better understanding of all of this. So make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important, and let's go over to my computer right now. Alright y'all, so my first affiliate program that I got up here is ClickMagic. ClickMagic, for those that know, well, you already know what this is if y'all been following my channel for a long time. Y'all know ClickMagic is a tracking tool that you can use to track sales, your commissions and stuff. You know, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, you know, you selling your own stuff, however you want to do it. This is basically like an all-in-one tracking tool that you can use. And this offer, I believe, pays out 35% recurring commissions for every person that you refer. So, for example, on my channel, I promote ClickMagic, and inside of my courses, I tell everybody to sign up for this software because this is what I use. My number one tip with affiliate programs or affiliate offers is promote stuff that you use on a day-to-day basis. So, tracking tools that I use, landing page builders that you use, email marketing tools and stuff like that, because those are the ones that you can give like an honest review on. Like, that's why I like promoting like ClickBank offers and other affiliate stuff like that. Those offers is not really like a long-term type of thing. Like, you better off just promoting offers that you actually use and can make recurring commissions from. Because look, as you can see, total commissions off of ClickMagic, I made $1,700.80. I mean $1,780.04 so far promoting it. I've only been promoting it since around my birthday last year, and I just started promoting it heavily within the last few months. You can see getting a lot more payments now. And if I go to my stats for this offer, well, not my stats, I got 34 people active. My goal is to really get 100 active people, because if I can get 100 active people paying $9-10 a month, you know, that's an extra $1,000 a month that I can use to, you know, pay some bills or whatever. Right now I got 17 people on the trial, 121 people canceled. Mind you, I'm promoting this indirectly. In all of my YouTube videos, you can see in my description. Let me see. Let me go to one of my videos real quick. All right, so I got one of my videos pulled up. I got it to where every time I upload a video, you know, I have like upload defaults, so I don't have to put this in every time. But if you go to the description of any of my YouTube videos, you can see under tools section right here, ClickMagic 14-day free trial. I got a link right here to the offer. And also inside of all of my courses, inside of the recommended tools section, I recommend this product. So that's pretty much how I promote it myself. And yeah, man, I've made, looking at it one more time, go back to payments. I made $1,780 literally just doing that. And y'all, most of y'all that's following me already know that. I promote this indirectly. I haven't even put up a review video for ClickMagic yet. I should put that in my to-do list for this month to get that out there and ranked on YouTube so I can get even more commissions. But that's the first affiliate program. It's a tracking tool, ClickMagic, and yeah, ClickMagic is like $27 per month. You get paid 35% of that, which is around $9-10. And as you can see, 35% recurring commissions on all payments from your referred customers. That's up to $400 per year per customer for life. So everybody that stick on the plan, extra $400 per year. That adds up very, very quickly. So now we got ClickMagic out the way. The next affiliate program that I truly love is ClickFunnels. They pay up to 40%. A lot of people think that as soon as you jump in, you're getting 40% right away, but you have to get at least 40 active ClickFunnels people to get 40% commissions. Right now I'm at 25, as you can see. And also the best thing that I like about the affiliate program is once you get 100 members onto your affiliate team or whatever you want to call it, they actually lease you $500 towards the car that you want. It's called the Dream Car Contest Rules. There's over 50 people that already received that. And you know, I'm going to show y'all exactly how I promote ClickFunnels myself. And let me see, let me go to my ClickFunnels stats so I can show y'all how much I made so far. Lifetime earnings, I'm at $3,500, $29.37. Just made $118 yesterday, as you can see right here. Ready for payout. They pay out on the 15th, on the 1st and the 15th of the month. So whatever you make during those time frames, they pay out right then and there via direct deposit. As you can see, ready for next Monday, $271. So yeah, I basically got 628 pending and 2,900 already paid. So yeah, man, ClickFunnels, I'm about to scale that up as well. I just put out my review video for ClickFunnels. How long ago was that? Let me see. Right here, I did that 1 month ago. I got 6,000 views on it. And yeah, my trials is going up. As you can see, new trials, and then currently trialing. Current monthly recurring revenue, I think that's what that means, or whatever, $16.94. So I'm working my way up the ladder with ClickFunnels. Definitely one of my favorite affiliate programs right now. Oh yeah, how I promote that? If I was you, create a simple ClickFunnels review video like this. You search ClickFunnels review, you can scroll down and find my video. I need to work on the rankings right now, because right now I look like I'm at the, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th spot or whatever, which ain't too bad, but I know what I'm about to do to boost my rankings on this video, and I made this a month ago. And I also, inside of my review, I give away 30 plus down view landing pages that nobody else on this, the search rankings was doing. So I figure I will make a lot more commissions by doing that. But yeah, you can always just go in here, ClickFunnels. What I would do is just create videos around these topics. So as you type in ClickFunnels, you can see ClickFunnels tutorial. I make a video on that. ClickFunnels pricing, cost, affiliate program, review, affiliate marketing, dropshipping. You can create videos around these topics, get them ranked for it. So that way you're getting recurring. Not only you're getting recurring commissions, you're getting organic traffic on a day-to-day basis, week-to-week basis, month-to-month basis, and a year. As you can see, this guy uploaded this ClickFunnels review video 2 years ago, got 114,000 views. Now just imagine how many people he could have possibly got or already got onto his ClickFunnels affiliate program. Matter of fact, he might be one of the Dream Car contest winners. It's only 100 people that you need, and with 100 people under you, that's almost $4,000 per month. I think it's like $38.80 or something like that. But whatever the case, that's good. That's really, really good money. That's over $100 a day just making some simple YouTube videos like this. This video only took him 9 minutes and 43 seconds to make, and 100,000 views. 2 years ago, he probably made thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars from this single video. I wouldn't be surprised, to be honest. But that's that example. Now we got Kartra. I'm not using Kartra myself, but I know a lot of people that's promoting it and seeing success with it. As you can see, they pay out. Let me move me out the way. They pay out 40% for life of every sale and recurring payments. Reason why Kartra came to mind, first person I thought of is Liam James K. He is one of the top, if not the top, Kartra affiliate. I believe he's making, a high 4 or 5 figures with Kartra. Just like ClickFunnels, just a different sales funnel builder. This is one of the more newer ones. So if I was you, I'd probably tackle this one. I don't know the pricing of this yet. Let me see. All right, so here's the pricing. Starts at $100 per month. Oh, they right up there with ClickFunnels. Yeah, they pay 40%. Well, it's actually better. The affiliate program is actually better because you got to get 40 members on the ClickFunnels before they even give you 40% commissions. I guess right out the gate, on the $100 per month plan, you get in at $40. So yeah, this might be a little better affiliate program, to be honest, and it's newer. So take advantage of this. And you can see on this video, he promoted. I know he's one of the top Kartra affiliates. I just know. Got 150,000 views on this video. Mind you, he promoting Kartra in every one of his descriptions right here. Let's see if we can find it right here. Sign up to Kartra and receive $38.70 worth of bonuses for free. There you go, man. You create these review videos or promote it indirectly and offer bonuses to them, and the sky's the limit. It's all about just getting the reach out there, whether you're doing paid traffic, YouTube videos, a blog, whatever you're doing. That's all it is from that point. Next one, we got Builderall. A lot of you already know what this is. I actually used to promote Builderall. I made a few $100s with it. I just don't like the software myself, so I just rather promote ClickFunnels, and yeah, I'm running with that. But one affiliate that I know, I'm pretty sure a lot of you already know who he is, Chad Bartlett. One of the top, if not the top, Builderall affiliates for this. I don't know the percentages they pay. Let me see if I got it pulled up. Builderall affiliates, how much do they pay? Let's see. Can't really find it. Oh, here we go. Oh, as an affiliate, every time you make a sale in Builderall, you earn a 100% commission on your customer's first payment. New affiliates will be able to withdraw commissions after 35 days. Qualified affiliates can withdraw commissions 5 days after the payment. Personal sales, and they got second tier recurring commission. So this is a good affiliate program. I just don't like the software personally, but if you go back to Chad Bartlett, let's see, $565 per day passive income that he done built up for the last 2 years. I literally watched him do it from start to finish, and I'm trying to get to that point with ClickFunnels. I think he done made over $250,000 with Builderall. Let me see. I was just looking at it a few seconds ago. Yep, right here, $263,785.98. That's over $250,000 worth of recurring affiliate program. Now, I can almost guarantee you, he don't put, well, he's not like actively, promoting it every single day. This is like recurring commissions just stacking up over month after month, over and over again. So the thing about this stuff, it's not like an overnight type of thing. You will have to put in the work, because like I said, building up a $250,000 business is definitely not going to be no overnight process. He done made probably hundreds of videos promoting Builderall directly, indirectly. So he's just reaping the benefits of that. The next affiliate program I got is Aweber. Aweber is an email marketing software. Y'all already know what this is. Aweber, what you doing? Aweber, Get Response, or whatever. You can go and make, I believe, yep, they paid 30% recurring commissions, and they pay out on a monthly basis. I got a few payments from Aweber. I don't really use it too much, but I got some affiliates to sign up for it, and I made some good money off of it so far. I think a couple $100. But Get Response is alternative to Aweber if you don't like that. They pay every month. Yada yada yada. Let's see. Generous one-time commission for every person referred. $100 monthly payout. Recurring program. 33% monthly recurring commissions. Yeah, most of these offers 30 to 40% commission rates, I see. But, and the last way you can promote is with a blog. Me personally, I'm not the blogging person. I'd rather just shoot a quick YouTube video, get it ranked, and, start making some money and all that. But, yeah, if you like writing, you could definitely go and learn how to, set up an article with WordPress, how to SEO optimize it and all that good stuff. It's similar to YouTube, but there's a few extra steps that you'll need to do to actually get blogs ranked and stuff. So, creating simple review videos, like this, creating a blog. You can even go and run Google ads. You can run Facebook ads. You can run Bing ads, all to promote these affiliate programs. And trust me, these is worth it because it's recurring. You can put in the work to just get one customer. And because I'm pretty sure a lot of these people out of this 25 that I got on my ClickFunnels been on here since, last year, paying month after month, just making me more and more free money without no extra work versus going and promoting a one-time offer where you might only make $50 or $100. You can make that $50 to $100 on a monthly basis just from one person. So just imagine having hundreds of people paying $50 per month. That's the easiest, best money that you can make in 2020 at this point. So hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. I post everything, CPA, affiliate marketing, and other make money online videos. But that's all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.